Here is an older Kershaw Skyline that I've had for a while. I really like the Kershaw knives. I try to get the made in the USA versions. This thing has really held up well, except one of these screws fell out. I replaced it with a piece of 1/8 inch brass rod and peened both sides. If this one ever falls out, I'll do the same to it. I got orange because I lost the black one that I had. I dropped it somewhere. If I drop this one, I can find it a little easier. Clip, it's lightweight. Liner lock, it's nice and tight, no play. This is a made in USA version. Black and stainless steel blade. I believe it's anodized aluminum scales. It's got a safety here to keep it from opening. It's an assisted open knife, liner lock. This is very safe, but if you need it in a hurry, you better not have that on. Seems fairly sharp straight out of the package. One thing I read about it is the tip thin, the thickness of the tip here. It's very fine tip for detail work if you're doing something. I can picture myself using that for tracing out leather if I was going to cut up some leather and make a holster or a knife sheath or something like that. Like a really thin, fine tip for that. I like the profile, nearly straight underneath. Let's see what it says on there. Ken Onion Design. Man's getting a lot of money for these. It's got a lanyard loop. I'll never use that. 3 screws holding it together. What the lock does if it's open? Absolutely nothing. It's going to be good quality. No play anywhere.